A juror who convicted Stanley Majors this week of murder speaks out about why the jury recommended the harshest punishment possible.
They found Majors guilty on all counts, including the murder of his neighbor, Khalid Jabara. News on 6's Taylor Newcomb is on that story only on 6. Taylor?
Craig and Lori, Patrick Williams tells me he thought that deliberations would only take half an hour. He says for him, the decision to convict Stanley Majors was an easy one.
It changed my life.
12 long days in a room with Stanley Majors. Juror Patrick Williams says the whole process changed him. Now he says he can look back and know justice was served.
He's been torturing this family since 2013. It had to be a nightmare for that family.
Williams says their initial vote was 11-1, leaning toward the guilty side. Eventually, the jury found Majors guilty of shooting and killing Khalid Jabara in what prosecutors called a hate crime.
He's just a really mean, evil person. His eyes were just black.
Majors' attorneys said he was an untreated schizophrenic and believe he should have been found not guilty by reason of insanity. But Williams says there was a specific moment during the trial that proved otherwise.
The jail phone calls between Mr. Majors and Mr. Smouth were just unbelievable.
Plus the fact that Majors ran over Khalid's mother, Haifa, just the year before.
He shouldn't have been back there in the first place. He should not have been allowed in that home.
Now Majors will likely spend the rest of his life behind bars.
He's never getting out of prison, so I'm satisfied with that.
After the jury recommended life without parole.
I told the jury foreperson, that I would go either way, but I suggest that we do the full extent of the law just for the Jabaras.
The Jabara family told me yesterday they are very happy with the sentence and they hope that no other family has to go through what they did. On the scene, on the story in downtown Tulsa, Taylor Newcomb, News on 6.